Alright everyone, welcome to another how-to video with Timberline transfers. Today we are going to go over how to use our gang sheet builder. From the home screen we're going to click on this icon here, use our gang sheet builder. That will bring you to this page, and here we're going to select which size gang sheet to use. It's not important here to get this right at this time. We can change this once we're in the builder itself. So for this example, we're going to select a 30 by 24 inch gang sheet, and then we're going to click upload image or create your gang sheet here. This will take you into the builder. Here there are three options. We can start a new gang sheet, we can open a previously ordered gang sheet, or we can use the auto build feature. We'll talk about the auto build feature in an upcoming video. For this one we're going to start a brand new gang sheet. Once in the builder, you can see that there are a few options at the top. There's the option to change the background for you to be able to see your images better. This background will not print. It's just for you to be able to see your images better. Snap when moving allows you to move images on the artboard and have them snap in line with other images. The margin, we recommend leaving at a 1/2 inch, is a margin around the artboard. Here on this side we can change in the builder itself to a different gang sheet size. So if we need to change to a smaller gang sheet, we just change it, and if we need to change to a larger gang sheet, we can change it here as well. These two options here show overlapping lines, will show when images are overlapping, and this one here will show the resolution of the image based on the color outline box around it. Anything greater than 300 will be green, anything greater than 250 but less than 300 will be orange, and anything that is red we will not print. You need to upsize your image, and we'll go over that in a different video. To get started here, we're going to click upload image, and we're going to select the cabbage, and you can see that the cabbage over here is loading. As soon as it is done loading, we can click on that image and it will automatically be placed on the artboard. It will be placed on the artboard at the size that you saved it at. If you try and upsize the image here, you'll see that it will turn orange, meaning that it's between 250 and 300 dpi, and here you can see what the actual resolution of the image is. If we continue to expand it, you'll see that it eventually will turn red, indicating that it's less than 250 dpi, and you'll need to resize your image to make it work, or to make it look good when we print. We'll resize the image to 3.99 inches where we started, and then we will duplicate the image across the artboard by clicking multiple times to get the image to place multiple times in the artboard. We'll add another image. We'll add the dog bone image here, and you can see that it uploaded, and now we will click on it one time to place it on the artboard. You can see that this is a little bit difficult to see, and that's where these buttons come in. We can change the background to black so you can see that better, and we'll go ahead and duplicate that image. It looks like we can downsize this artboard here so that we're not paying for more than we need. So we'll change it to a 30-inch wide by 12-inch tall artboard. Everything looks good. We have green outlines around everything, indicating that the resolution is above 300 dpi, and we don't see any errors on the screen itself here. From this step, we can go ahead and hit save and add to cart. It says that there's overlapping images on the artboard. However, if you look at it, there is nothing that's overlapping. So you can go ahead and click print anyway, and then you click this box to agree that you have full rights to this artwork, and that your images will be printed exactly as they are shown on the artboard. We'll click add to cart and exit, and this artboard will automatically be added to the cart. You can see we have an existing one in here already. Once added to the cart, you can just go through your normal process for checkout, and we will print that gang sheet and get it shipped out to you right away. Thanks for watching.